problem. So the other day, I was scrolling through my comments, you know, expecting to see it's not a mistake, it's a masterpiece. Do you know what I saw? I saw people spamming, it's not a cult, it's a family. You know, and this had me very confused. It sounds like a knockoff version of It's Not a Mistake, It's a Masterpiece. So I did some digging, and I found out that this YouTuber has also decided to start a family as well, which means that people are trying to one-up the jellybean profile picture gang. This is just unacceptable. So I've decided we have to beat another world record. So the new world record we're trying to beat is the most comments and likes on a YouTube short. This will definitely prove that we are the strongest profile picture gang out there. Remember to spam It's Not a Mistake, It's a Masterpiece in the comment. There's absolutely no way we lose this.